I will discuss something.
Alright, sir. I will enter your room right away.
Please come in. Have a seat.
Sir.
Let's to the point. The company is having problem with air conditioning in every office space. Please help me contact the icon company engaged in the air conditioner field to solve this problem.
Yes, sir. I will contact the company.
Okay, thank you. You can go on.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Good morning, icon company here. With whom I'm talking right now?
Hello, good morning. My name is Tasya. I'm from marketing manager of Queen Company.
May I help you?
Yes, I have a problem about air conditioner in my office.
Oh, yeah, wait. Can you tell me about the problem?
In our company, we have difficult with the air conditioner in every office, such as the air conditioner that is not good, that air conditioner is noisy, sometimes it turn on and off it by itself. We have tried various brands of air conditioner, but the results are still the same. So, can you recommend it good and durable air conditioner for good quality?
Of course, you contacted the right person. Icon Company is one company with quality air conditioner products, has good and granted specifications.
Oh yeah, I am interested in that. May you provide information about company's product?
Of course, our company products several spare AC products including, namely, first, AC Split. It's a product that is in great demand with granted quality. Second, AC Windows. This product has advantage of being the most energy efficient. And third, AC Central. This product has the advantage that it is suitable for large rooms.
Oh nice. If so, I want to order an air conditioner with two types, namely first split air conditioner with two items, then air conditioner central with a total of three items. Can you give the total price for the whole items?
For the split AC type with a total of two items with a total price of 6 million rupiah. Then for the AC Central type with a total of 3 items with a total price of 7 million rupiah. So the total price become 13 million rupiah.
Okay, for delivery of goods can be sent to address Jebat Street number 76 Nongsa, and for payments cash on delivery will be made.
Good. Thank you for your order. We will send your order soon as possible.
Okay, thank you.